I'll guide you through how to make more than 100 connections on LinkedIn. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make more than 100 connections on LinkedIn, start by updating the profile with a professional photo, a clear headline, and an About section that highlights skills and interests. Post insightful updates or share valuable resources to showcase expertise and attract interest from potential connections. Leave meaningful comments on posts in the relevant industry to increase visibility and demonstrate genuine engagement with others' content. Use LinkedIn search filters to find relevant people from the same university, company, or industry to ensure that new connections are aligned with personal or professional goals. Send personalized connection requests with a short and friendly message, such as, "Hi CJ, I am interested in the field of graphic design and would like to connect to share insights." After that, join active LinkedIn groups related to the field and participate in discussions to expand the network naturally through shared interests and conversations. Follow professionals or thought leaders who are admired so they notice the activity and consider connecting in return. Finally, send 5 to 10 targeted connection requests each day to grow steadily without exceeding LinkedIn's limits.